Now we see that the card can be used for the forms, but the card could be used for other things. The card could be added from one message to provide more information. For example, in your case, in your use case for the floor of the services, we can decide in that instead of provide some information to show one map, because it could be helpful for the user to know where is the human resources or the IT. I don't remember exactly. For the floor one, we put human resources and financial. Okay, so maybe here I can add one message, for example. Okay, remove the button, put direct, and to contact to have more information about up, we put it between two curly brackets. Remember type of services, what it's human resources or no. Please visit the floor one and find in detail the map of this floor. Okay, this is one example of what we can. Okay, and for this one, now we will create a card. Go on the card. We'll create a new card. Building map, for example. And of course, we will add our header because we created, and as I show you, and we will add it one a picture that I take it on the web. This stupid picture, but okay. Go on the dialog editors, and now here I will add it the car. For example, is a building map. Okay, and if I play the role services, I want to have, for example, human resources. And remember, to have more information about human resources, please visit the floor one and find in detail the map of this floor. View details. And here, what I have the map of the floor. Okay? So clearly, the card could be used for added a lot of information like a video, image, maybe content, text content, all the things that you cannot put it on the chatbot because it's super it's not easy to see it, because if you have a lot of information on the dialogue, it's not very super useful or super kind to have all this type of information. I would like to show you a last thing on the dialogue. It's on the message box. It's advanced. Here you have see that you have advanced. For example, something important. It's if you like to track a special message on your dialogue, you can do it by putting, for example, this one, and specific flag on this message, and I see the box, it's purple now, and we name it, for example, floor one. And I want to know exactly the number of people go here and ask information about this one. Of course, you can add, for example, another one, you can add it for this one, it's floor two, okay? One thing you have to know, if you added the same name for all the flag, for example, this one, floor one and floor two, if I put all floor, for example, the account of this flag and this one will be merged, and you will see the value for the both. Okay, so it's possible to add it to use the same name of the track and trace system to merge the information. Okay. And where the information will be displayed, it's on the analytics here. You have a lot of information on this screen, and you have a custom monitoring. And here you will see exactly the number of people, and you have the percentage of the people regarding the. If you compare the number of people come on the day, and you will have information about how many people go on this flag. Yeah? So it's super easy to see. This is our first chatbot, but as you see, we don't use for the moment AI. So now I will show you how to use AI.